So kung galing ka naman ng LRT, dito tayo sa Bonnie Avenue. Ayan o, Bonnie Avenue. Punta na, yun yung EDSA. Pioneer Woodlands. Ito, konektado tayo dun sa ano. We're actually connected to LRT. So we're going there now. Napakadaling puntahan. Very accessible. Very accessible. Hindi nyo alam, you never know that there's something like this in this part of EDSA. There you go. You have Bika. This is the entrance from LRT side.